The demand for banking and fintech apps is rapidly increasing, and the numbers speak for themselves. According to a recent report by Statista, the number of mobile banking users is projected to reach 2.5 billion by 2024, up from 1.9 billion in 2020. This massive growth in mobile banking users is indicative of the increasing demand for banking and fintech apps in the market. North America and Europe are significant players, with a high percentage of the population using mobile banking apps. But when it comes to growth, Asia-Pacific is currently the fastest-growing region in the mobile banking market, with countries such as China, India, and Indonesia leading the way. Entrepreneurs looking to invest in the banking and fintech industry should keep an eye on these regions and focus on developing apps that cater to the unique needs of these markets with the right ideas, skills, and resources. Entrepreneurs can capitalize on this trend and create successful businesses that will shape the future of the banking and NBFC industry. We will cover the admin panel and customer app component of our fintech product, which can be used by an entrepreneur who wants to enter the banking domain or the non-bank financial domain. Customer app to rewind the way of availing banking services of people. Seamless login and sign up with general details like name, email and phone number. Users can choose between the personal and business account. Users can add money to their self accounts. Enjoy seamless transactions and cash withdrawals with your card. Log in using Face ID or enter a PIN code to verify trades and withdrawals. Statistics that allows the user to monitor and analyze their own expenses, savings, transfers, etc. Scan any QR code to pay and user's own QR code to receive payments. Keep the track of your portfolio. Get daily views of the stock market. Send money to your contacts. Admin panel to keep control over every transaction and income from a single dashboard. After registration, admin can receive their portal credentials via email which they enter to log into the portal. The dashboard gives an overview of the transactions, display related KPIs and all other details. Get graphical representation of reports. Admins are able to select one of the predefined card programs, or they can configure their own card programs as per need. Admins are able to manage, search, filter user records. Admin can add new users by uploading their necessary documents and submit their profile for KYC approval. Once KYC approved, a card profile is generated for the user which can be linked to a card program. A list of all cards across each card program is available for the admin. The admin can lock, report, replace or deactivate any card. We hope that this demo of our banking fintech app has given you a glimpse of our expertise in app development. At Code Brew Labs, we have a team of skilled professionals who specialize in developing custom banking and fintech apps that cater to your specific needs. If you are looking to create a banking or fintech app for your business, we are here to help. Our team of experts can guide you through the entire app development process, from conceptualization to launch. We are with you every step of the way, ensuring that your app is designed and developed to the highest standards of quality and functionality, which continues to meet your evolving needs. So why wait? If you are interested in learning more about our services and how we can help you take your business to the next level, submit an inquiry by clicking the link given in the description and schedule a free consultation and demo session with us today. Our team of experts will be happy to answer any questions you may have and provide you with a personalized demo tailored to your business needs. Thank you for watching the video. We look forward to hearing from you soon.